Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sync JLab earbuds together. First, ensure your earbuds are fully charged. This is a crucial first step for successful pairing. Take both earbuds out of their charging case to power them on. If you've previously connected them to another device, go into your device's Bluetooth settings and forget the JLab connection. For a fresh start, a factory reset is often the best approach, clearing any old pairing data. Now let's connect your JLab earbuds to your device. Place both earbuds back into their charging case for about 3 seconds. Then, remove both earbuds at the same time. They should automatically enter pairing mode, indicated by a flashing light on one earbud. Open your phone or computer's Bluetooth settings, search for new devices, and select your JLab earbuds from the list. You should hear a confirmation tone once connected. Sometimes only one earbud might connect. If this happens, place both earbuds back into their charging case for 5 seconds, then remove them again. Make sure no other active Bluetooth devices are nearby, as they can cause interference. A full factory reset is often the solution. Hold the touch sensors on both earbuds for 10 seconds until the lights flash rapidly. Then, repeat the pairing process from the beginning. To maintain a stable and consistent connection, keep your audio device within 30 feet of your JLab earbuds. Physical obstructions, such as walls or large metal objects, can weaken the signal, so try to minimize these. Regularly clean the charging contacts on both your earbuds and inside the case to ensure proper charging and connection. Finally, keeping your device's operating system updated can also improve Bluetooth performance and reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.